Welcome to Wetpixel Live. My name's Adam Hanlon. I'm the editor of Wetpixel. Yesterday I posted a short video talking about some of the new features in Adobe's Lightroom 10 release, and I thought that what I should do today is just talk about two other features that, to be honest, I hadn't noticed when I made the post yesterday. So yesterday we spoke about the new color grading feature. Today we're going to talk about two of the new zoom features that are available now in Lightroom 10. Again, as I stressed yesterday, please, if you want to know more about editing your underwater images, the place to go is to see Erin Quigley's website, goaskerin.com. This is purely intended to give an overview of the new functionality. It's not meant to replace any kind of tutorials or the in-depth learning that they offer over on Go Ask Erin. So I'm going to fire up Lightroom, get an image in, and we'll have a look at how these new zoom options work. So here we are in Lightroom 10's library module. Specifically, I've got the grid mode active, and I've got an image highlighted. Again, it's an image of sturgeon taken with an EMWL while I was testing it last week, earlier this week. I keep saying that. I'm going to open that up in Looper View by pressing the shortcut E. There we go. And now I've got it. Now I have the option now to employ one of the new zoom features within Lightroom. I'm actually going to collapse this pane here just so there we are, that's better. I have the option of deploying, and that's box zoom. And box zoom I simply get by holding down the command key and drawing a box around the area I want to zoom into. So there we go. I'll show you again. So just draw a box, hold down the command key, the box comes up, and then I can just, there we are. That's the box zoom. So that's a useful thing. To escape, just simply click on the screen again, and that will take me back to the full screen view. Now, the second option, the scrubby zoom, is only available in the develop module. So I'm going to use the shortcut D to go over to the develop module. Here I am in the develop module, and if I hold the shift key down, you'll see I get this icon with two out and arrow on either side of it, and if I drag it to the right, it zooms in. If I drag it to the left, it zooms out. So I can almost infinitely adjust the zoom smoothly and seamlessly as it goes. You'll see it's actually rendering as it goes in and out. Now, obviously the speed, again, clicking on it anywhere in the image will revert it back to normal view. So this is, again, another new feature. So we've got box zoom, we've got scrubby zoom. Scrubby zoom only works in the develop mode when you're looking at in Looper View. So looking at as we are now, it doesn't work in the library mode. So don't try and use scrubby zoom in develop mode. It won't work, and it will cause hours of frustration. Great. So I hope that was very useful, and that you understand a little bit more about the new zoom options in Lightroom 10. I'd like to thank our sponsor for this episode, which is iColite. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please give us a like if you got something out of this episode. Feel free to add comments or suggestions in the comments box below. Thanks very much.